So I bought an M4 to replace my M4. I've been looking for something to replace my M4 for a little bit now, and I came to a conclusion that there is nothing better than an M4 than an M4. So the reason I didn't get a comp pack, if you're thinking, well, at least you could have upgraded to the comp pack, is it was no point. It's too expensive. It's not worth the premium in my case, because the ride gets way firmer and I like my ride to be a little comfortable. And this is what I did want, was all black. So my old one was also black as well, but I had that wrapped in pearl gloss white, and it didn't have the full leather pack, which it was a must for this, because like I said, there is nothing to replace this with, not even a supercar, because I need the rear seats. And this has really decent space down there, mind. So you can get 4 adults in here, no problem at all. Let me get back to what I was saying about the full leather pack. So my one didn't have it, and I hated every second of it. It felt like the 1 series that I use as my daily. And this has the full leather pack, so you get leather along the dash, down here, and up on the door sills as well, and it looks amazing, especially in this white. My one was all blacked out, black inside, black outside, the old one, and this one I wanted to go for white seats. This is the first time I've ever gone for light seats in a car. I really hope I don't regret it, but look at this, all blacked out. Tell me there is something better looking than this, and if you are telling me that right now, you're wrong. I love the way this looks. So I've got the spacers. They are 18mm in the back. Look at that, much better. And obviously you have to get these, because I've gone and put spacers between them. It's just flicking up everything straight down the side, and because it's black, it will just ruin the paint and it will make me angry. So for that, I put them on. They do look a little bit ugly, but at least it saves the paintwork. Yes, we are gonna wrap this car. It's gonna go something really, really bright. So yeah, I'll let you guys guess what that's gonna be. There's the front end. It's just such a mean car, even without all these splitters and all of that. I will be getting one, don't get me wrong, but it looks mean standard. Black grille, had to do it. I haven't got around to getting the the gills done in black. The wheels did come like that, so they were black, but I'm sure someone's painted them, because when I bought my one, you couldn't order them in black. You could only order them in that silver or the shadow line, which was the ones that I had on mine. Here I've got the carbon lip. It's not the CS one. I don't like the way that one looks. I like the way this one continues by here. That one just flicks up right there, and it leaves you with a gap there. So I prefer the look of this. Black badge had to be done, and carbon diffuser, that had to be done straight away. The other one looks awful. Black tips. If you haven't seen the engine on one of these, get ready. It just looks amazing. This thing, right, makes the engine bay so nice. You can get one of these in carbon, but they're just way too expensive, and you don't even get to see it. So am I gonna do it? Probably not. Those are definitely going, and I will get on to that after. So there's the engine bay. It had to be the carbon pack, so we've got carbon here, that's from the factory. That's not, that is real carbon, but it's not from the factory. That is fake carbon, and that's from China. Well, real carbon's from China. Okay, let's not get into that. But we've got a red button. There we go. We've got heads up. The upgraded speakers, I can't say them properly. Harden, I think they are. They will blow your ears off. That was the main things that I was looking for. If you are looking to buy one of these, make sure you get the full leather pack, because you're going to hate the interior of the standard one. Because the full leather pack makes the car feel worth what you've just spent on it. So why didn't I get something other than an M4? Well, I had a look at C63s, and I've driven them before, and the feeling was exactly the same as before. That being, it's a little bit too heavy and it's more orientated towards comfort. It feels more like a GT car than it feels as a sports car. Why I didn't get the RS5? RS5 is just not an option for me because it's four-wheel drive, and I've already got four-wheel drive cars, and I don't enjoy them that much because you got to go a million miles an hour to actually scare yourself. But in this, don't worry, you'll be scared at 10-15 miles an hour with a slight bit of rain. Why I didn't get a Audi R8 or a supercar like a 911 turbo is simply because I didn't see it being worth it. The R8 wouldn't have been an option. Like I said, I need the rear seats. And the Porsche 911, I think it's a bit too expensive for what I want out of it. So didn't really go for that neither. And we need to sort this exhaust out ASAP. So I think the first thing I'll probably do, the charge pipes have to be done, so I'm not counting that as a modification, more as a mandatory thing. But I think downpipes, we need some downpipes on this thing. So if you look into my old M4, that had a full Remus system, decat. It sounded amazing. You'd hear me coming from 50 miles away. That's how loud it was. Am I going to go that loud? Probably. Am I going to go with Remus again? I don't think so, because last time I spent a good 4 or 5 grand on an exhaust. And I'm not going to spend that much on this one, because I've heard other people spending like 300-400, like less than £500, and theirs was sounding as good as mine. So I'll probably not be doing that. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and like, share and subscribe. Thanks.